Anybody ready for a Mike Savage roast? What do you say?
If you have arthritis or you know someone close to you that does, raise your hand. It really is a disease that can take away your independence and your ability to work, your dreams, your future.
I already felt different enough. I needed different seating. I couldn't hold a pencil how my teachers wanted me to. I had to sit out in gym more often than not, and I missed a lot of class celebrations because of my hospital visits. I am supposed to be unique and different. I'm not supposed to be like anyone else. Thank you.
In his new role, he's no longer able to answer any tough political questions, which only goes to prove that really nothing has changed.
That's the BS button.
Whenever I roasted anybody, I only said positive things. So to hell with all of you guys tonight for the that you threw at me.
Thank you to His Honor, the Honorable Mike Savage. You have been a friend and a partner of the Arthritis Society for over 30 years. And last but not least, let's announce how much money we raised tonight. So $535,000 and counting. Thank you, everybody, and have a wonderful night.